Okay, let me ask you something. How many times have you thought that I'll speak English once I'll join a class, or once my grammar gets better, then I'll speak? How many times? I know so many times, right? But wait, let me tell you something. I used to think the same. Yeah, and that thinking kept me stuck for I don't know how many years. Yes. So, if you're someone who's trying to learn English by yourself without support, then this video is for you. Yeah. So, let's jump into the video without wasting time. See, I didn't learn English overnight. I didn't wake up confident. I didn't even born confident. I was confused earlier, like when I was a beginner, and I still learned. Yeah, I still learned. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how. So let me start with something very simple and nobody talks about it. Okay, I'm telling you, join a library. Yes, trust me, my honey, join a library. I used to go to the library when I was a beginner. Yeah, and during that time, during like when I'm in the library, I used to focus on my writing skills and I used to watch English content as much as possible. And there I used to study about 3 to 4 hours, I guess. Yeah, okay. I know you don't want to spend money, you don't want to join library. Okay, that's fine. Just take a short corner at your home and go, like, don't sit on the bed. No, no, because this is your comfort zone. This is your comfort zone, and your comfort zone will kill you. You know this. So just sit on the floor. Yeah, it's very cold right now. So don't sit directly on the floor. Just put something there like a cloth or a blanket or a mat, something like that. And then take your study table, take your notebooks, take your phone, and yeah, don't use Instagram during that time. And okay, sit there comfortably and study there for about 2 to 3 hours, and tell your family, don't disturb me for the next 2 to 3 hours because I'm going to study. And study there. Okay, focus on your writing skills, just write what you're feeling, do journaling, start journaling. Even I am like thinking about it to start a journaling, because I kind of like it. I do it, but not on daily basis. Sometimes I do it. Okay, so yeah, don't want to join a library, just sit on the floor, like on the mat. Okay, and study there for 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, that's it. And the second thing you have to do is talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. Yeah, just stand in front of the mirror and talk about your day, how you're feeling, and about your family, about your pet, about your friends. Just talk, and whatever comes in your mind that time, just speak. Don't think twice, just speak. The thing is, why we can't learn English by ourselves? Why? Because we don't open our mouth. We don't open our mouth. We just kept thinking in our mind, and we think like, oh, my English is good in my mind. No, buddy. No, no, no. Your English is not good. You just speak English in your mind. But when you open your mouth, it comes out like a shit. It does. Yeah. Because I used to think the same way. I used to think, oh, my English is too good. But the moment I start speaking English, I used to sound like a stupid girl. Yes, I used to do. Okay. Third thing is you have to listen to English songs as much as possible. Just pick any one English songs in your day, okay? Just one day, and continue listen to that song, write lyrics on your notebook, and sing along with that song, okay? Because this way, you will learn how to articulate your thoughts and how to, twist your tongue. And yeah, one more thing. When you're singing that song, please speak it out loud. Sing it out loud. You already know why I'm telling you this. Because singing to English songs and listening to English songs helped me a lot. It me to develop this accent. How I get this accent? Just because of singing and listening to English songs. Yeah, that's it. And you can do it too. Fourth is, please surround yourself with English content. Watch English content as much as possible. You have YouTube, my honey. Just watch there. Okay. So if you're a beginner, you can watch English cartoons like Hello Jardu. Hello Jardu is a beginner friendly cartoon. You can watch it on YouTube, okay? Because I used to watch their stories and their episodes. Yeah. So start with that. Yeah. Fifth is, stop collecting words, start collecting sentences. Yeah. Stop collecting words and start collecting sentences. Don't focus on too much word. What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this word? No, don't do this. Just start collecting sentences. Stop memorizing words and start catch some sentences like, let me explain, I'm feeling like this, I'm still learning, I'm still working on it, like these type of sentences. Okay, don't learn words if you're a beginner. Please start collecting sentences, I'm telling you, and this will help you. Okay. And the most important part is, please practice on daily basis. See, learning English by yourself is quite hard, because someday you will feel alone. Someday you will feel that you're not noticing any improvement in yourself. Yeah, you will feel like this, because I used to feel the same. But you don't have to focus on those word on those thoughts. Okay, just focus on yourself, just trust the process, my honey. You will speak English one day. It's your dream, it's your dream. Please, please, please practice on daily basis. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you don't, please do let me know in the comment section, because I'm ready to listen whatever you guys are feeling. But I told you my experience, like how I learned English by myself, and it's not that hard, my honey. It's not that hard, trust me, it's not that. And these days I'm not feeling well, but I pushed myself to record this video. I put on makeup and all, and I still recording. You know, I was crying like few days back, and like one day back also I was crying, just because I cannot tell you. I can't tell you. But yeah, I don't want to quit. I don't want to quit, because I've come so far, right? I've come so far, and I don't want to quit. I pushed myself to record this video, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm feeling so cute today. Look at my makeup. I've done this makeup in the morning, and there's one surprise, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. I'm not gonna tell you. But few days after, I will definitely tell you, because you guys are everything for me now. You guys are everything for me, right? So bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.